This 2015 Coachman Freedom Expressway is brought to you by Fort City Motors. Come see us at Fort City Motors in Fort Smith, AR 3508 Midland Blvd. Call/text Kevin at 479-719-2418. This 2015 Coachman by Forest River Freedom Express 233 RBS is the 50th Anniversary Edition travel trailer. It comes equipped with bumper pull, power tongue jack, manual leveling jacks, 2 slides power slides, TV, DVD player, microwave, stove, kitchen table, queen size bed, bathroom with shower, and more. Stop in today and have a look. See attached color brochure for more information and specs. Specifications: shipping weight 4471 GVWR, 7000 lbs. Hitch weight 635. Carrying capacity 2487. Exterior length 24 and number 39, 11 end quote. Bumper to hitch, exterior height 10 and number 39, 9 end quote. Includes A/C, interior height 81 end quote. Hauling length 16